Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that's straight from my childhood, and that is cheese spread. I'm collaborating with Cabot cheese on this video, and who better than Cabot, who has such a wide variety of amazing cheddar cheeses, and all of their cheddar cheeses are lactose free. I'm using the medium yellow cheddar for this recipe, and I am grating it on the large side of my grater because I'm going to place this into the food processor. If you do not have a food processor, grate it on the finest side on your grater, and that is what I'm doing just to show you an example between the coarse side and the fine side. It's going to be easier to blend together with a fork if you do it on the fine side. I've worked with Cabot for quite some time now, and I absolutely love this company. One of the things that I love about this company is the fact that it's a cooperative that's owned by farm families in New England and New York, and all of the profits go back to the farmers. Now that I've shredded all of the cheese, I am going to place it into my food processor. Next, I'm going to add room temperature butter, but another way that I also make this is to use mayo sometimes, but you can also use cream cheese. And again, if you don't have a food processor, you can simply place all the ingredients into a bowl and use a fork to mash it all together. Next, I'm adding yellow mustard, garlic, and the garlic gives it quite a kick, so do not leave out the garlic. And I'm also gonna add pepper sauce. Now if you do not have pepper sauce, you can use Cabot's habanero cheddar cheese. This gives it quite the kick. And now that I've placed everything into the food processor, it's time to pulse it. The full recipe will be below in the description box, so if you're interested in making this, I will have it listed below. And I'm just going to remove the cover and just break that up just a little bit, just so that it helps everything to combine well. And I'm going to place the cover back on and pulse it, and continue to pulse it until it becomes a paste and everything is just blended together and looks like this. And look at that, absolutely delicious. You're going to get the taste from Cabot's wonderful cheddar cheese. You're gonna get a hint of the garlic, the pepper, and a little kick from that mustard. Spread it between 2 slices of bread and enjoy. Thank you guys for joining me, and thank you to Cabot for sponsoring today's video. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.